The Police Regional Training Center 1, PSJLC 2024-01 Pinagbuklod class, facilitated by PRTC-1 staff under the leadership of Police Lieutenant Colonel Gregorio Jr. B. Bautista, OIC, PRTC-1, as part of the program of instruction and with its theme, Inclusion Through Connection, Empowering Communities Together, conducted on its ECIP in Barangay Basca, Arengay, La Union on July 25, 2024. The Pinagbuklod class, led by Police Staff Sergeant Tamayo, Federated Class President, in coordination with other government offices such as Barangay, Mayor, Chief of Police, Provincial Director, and staff of PRTC-1. Through this activity, leadership styles and potentials are in motion. Police officer could PCR are evident in shared responsibilities driven by a single purpose among each member of the team. ECIP was conducted at Barangay Basca, Arengay, La Union, was unanimously chosen by the class based on social investigation conducted. The resident of the said barangay needed this activity to educate them the significant role played inside their home and the community as well. The ECIP not only addresses immediate needs but also contributes to long-term community well-being.
Sisimulan, mabuti ng iyong hangad. Paano kung ang pakiramdam mag-isa kang lumalaban?
Paano mo tatahakin ang mas na madilim? Paano makakamit? Paano mararating? Nagsimula na magkakasama sa baba. Sabay-sabay pataas lahat itigala. Lahat magagawa kung sama-sama. Kung may balakid man ay kaya-kaya. Mga pangarap nating hawak-hawak. Isa-isang matutupad kapit kabayanihan. Bayanihan.
Pinas pataas, yeah, put it down. For my people on a hustle all around the world. Kahit English, kahit Tagalog, it don't matter what you speak, it's what's in your soul. And this flow, ilabas ang nasa puso. Let's fight to unite hanggang sa dulo. It's true daw, alam ko, hirap ng buhay. Heto na, ang tunay na tulay.
You know what it's like to fight for what's right. That feeling inside that you can't deny when you follow the light. Despite all the kryptonite that's around you, thank God you found you. Too blessed to be stressed, why settle for less when you can have the best and give the rest to those who are lost. We do this for the cause, not for the cause, but to spit the bars of the truth to the youth.
Nagsimula na magkakasama sa baba.
Ilalaban ng lahat, hindi uurong. Handa akong sumulong ng sumulong. Patayan ng ating kinabukasan. Yan ang dapat hindi pinababayaan. Ilalaban ng lahat, hindi uurong. Handa na akong sumulong ng sumulong. Handa na ako, handa ka na ba? Kasi sama-sama natin bubuuin ang bawat parte ng ating inang bayan. Ito ay bayanihan, bagong umaga na sisibol at lutian. Pamamagitan ng ako, ikaw, sila. Tandaan na nasa iyo ang umpisa. Ang makabagong bayani ng ating bayan. Bayanihan, ibang sigawan.
Kapit lang kapatid, kapit bisig, magkaisa sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Itigil ang ahas, ibaba ang armas. Problema ng bansa, kaya natin maligtas. Sa mata ng Diyos, lahat tayo patas-patas, sulong-sulong lang, walang iwanan.